What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to reset a maintenance light on a 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK. In case you guys don't know it, this is the older system. I know I showed you guys the other system. Still has the keypads over here with the OK button, the return button, phone pickups, volume, and the audio. So we're going to do the OK button and the phone pickup after you put the key in position 2. So we can check the service by putting it to position 2. See, it says next service A1 doing 400 miles. Cycle the key, put it back to position 1. Hold the OK button and the phone pickup button, which is the one on the right. This guy right here. And this guy right there. You're going to hold those and you should see this change to a screen. Go see if I can do it with 2 hands. There it is. Vehicle data, dynamometer, assist plus. So you want to start by pushing the pickup button. Then right after that, push the OK button. Give it about 3 seconds and you get this menu. Now we scroll down the menu buttons. Hit assist plus, full service. It's looking for a 1, 3, and a 4. We will confirm full service. Service carried out. Cannot be undone. We got it. There it is. Full service carried out on a GLK. We'll back out. Cycle the key. Go back to the buttons. Down to the assist plus. Hit OK. Next service be in 10,000 miles. So this is for 130,000 mile service. This is going to take an oil change, check the wipers, brakes, tires, obviously a undercarriage for oil leaks, top off the water coolant, check the radiator for leaks. At this point it's got 130,000 miles. Check the wipers in the front. These wipers are okay, but they're starting to chatter, so I'll probably recommend them because they're chattering. Not to mention, it has these little markers on the wipers. I'll try to show you here right now. Let's see if I can get it. So if you look here, it has that little wiper marker, yellow, which means that it is due for wiper changes. It has a rear wiper too. 127,000 miles, I'll probably recommend that one. And then I'll show you guys the maintenance sheet. Maintenance sheet on this will look like this. Go over to 130,000 miles and basically just scroll across, reset, engine check, check all this stuff. I usually highlight it so I don't miss anything. And we're doing the required only. Required service work. Required additional work. Required additional work. And the recommended service work is not going to be done because that is a separate service that the customer is not paying for. So we will do that at a later time when the customer feels they need to do that. This is what it includes: rotating the tires, replace the wiper blades. That's part of the service. Checking the battery. One thing that I will tell you guys is that most services do not include checking the battery. All these required services do not include checking the battery. So we get a lot of customers that always ask to check the battery separately. Now in Mercedes, if you guys know, a lot of batteries are buried in the trunk, underneath the seats, in the front. It could be everywhere. There could be multiple batteries. So it really becomes a pain in the butt trying to look for these batteries. And a lot of the times the dealer wants to get the technicians to do it for free, which sucks.